Welcome to LFA's video on unboxing your new TDP6S. In this video we're going to be covering how your TDP6 will be delivered, what to look out for, and how to initially set up your press. Upon delivery, your TDP6 will arrive in a wooden shipping crate. Before signing, ensure that there is no substantial damage to the outside of the box, and if there is, refuse the delivery. Although most of LFA's products do arrive on time and in good condition, occasionally damage by the couriers has been reported. It's difficult for us to file a claim if the item has been signed for in good condition. When handling your press, we also suggest using good lifting practices and safety equipment such as gloves and safety boots where possible. The TDP6S weighs approximately 150 kilos, so we suggest using appropriate lifting equipment. To get inside your shipping crate, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and hammer to prise open the clips around the base of the box. First, place your screwdriver in the band around the base of the box and twist to loosen the metal. Next, place your screwdriver or wedge into the clips and prise downwards. You'll find 10 of these clips around the base. Finally, hammer the clips till they're 90 degrees. Please keep your shipping crate just in case for any reason you'd like to return your press. Once the clips have been adjusted, simply lift the box from the base to reveal your tablet press. Your tablet press will be wrapped to ensure it's protected and sealed. Remove the wrap around your press. Your TDP6S will arrive fully assembled. Your TDP6S will be attached to the crate base with 3 bolts. Take a spanner and remove the bolts. Your press can now be moved to its new position. It's also important to do some checks before operating your TDP6S. First, check the belt tension to ensure it's not too loose or too tight. The tension can be adjusted by turning this bolt anti-clockwise, which will move the motor. Also inside your shipping crate you'll find your LFA guide to your TDP press, as well as your warranty certificate that will have your press's unique serial number. The serial number can also be located on the information plate on your press. Rotate the flywheel by hand whilst checking for any debris around the base plate, die and punches. Do not put your fingers in the holes on the wheel to turn it. For more information, please get in contact at www.lfatabletpresses.com.